Aloha Romantic friends. Please subscribe for more updates and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Today we will be making fresh strawberry soap. And fresh strawberry soap is made with 100% real strawberries. Let's jump right in today's video. Now you guys are getting exclusive access to this video today, and you are going to see firsthand of how my fresh strawberry soap turns out. Actually, this is the first time me making this fresh strawberry soap. It's not going to have any fragrance, and of course I'll probably add a little color to it. If you don't know, I just actually in my research, strawberries actually turn the soap a brown color, but it does lighten up over time. So we're gonna see how this lovely soap turns out today, and I will be posting a video. If you guys were wondering how the avocado and banana soap turned out, it actually turned out very lovely on the skin. It's actually up online on the website, so if you would like to get a bar, and there's limited quantities available, but if I run out on the website, you can also back order it, and you can get first chance of the new batch that will be released when I remake the avocado and banana. But this here is fresh strawberry soap. We're going to go ahead and blend up our oils. And this soap, as I mentioned earlier, will be fragrance free, so I can't wait to see how it turns out in the end. As always, when you make soap, you can add your own additives to the soap, so you can kind of fine-tune your soap the way you want it to be. And so I already have all of my ingredients mixed into my soap, so we're gonna go ahead and blend this up a little bit longer. Since there's no fragrance in here, you can actually blend as much as you want to, until it gets thick enough at the point where you decide, hey, you know what, this is too thick, let me go ahead and pour it. So at this point, I want to go ahead and add my fresh strawberry puree into my oils. Here we are going to blend up our strawberry puree that's in our soap. So I'm going to just blend this up, and I'm going to fast forward the video so you can kind of see the pouring. So that's a nice color. When it lightens up, it almost looks like a pale peach or a pale orange color. That's interesting. And of course I did add a little hint of red mica to it, so maybe that's why I'm getting this light peach color. Soap has actually reached a heavy trace, so it's pretty thick. As you can see, it's starting to look like pudding, so we can actually at this point go ahead and pour it. So the good thing I can really say about making fruit and vegetable soaps is that you don't have to work with fragrance, but however your soap still thickens up on you, so that's another thing. So we're just gonna actually plop this into our mold here. I kind of wanted to try this new 5-pound mold. So the 5-pound mold holds a lot of soap, in which I will use it more as I continue to make the fruit and veggie soaps. So this will probably be my go-to mold as I make soap. It's funny because my family calls me the mad scientist here at the house because I have all kind of equipment, mixing equipment, and for my soap making, and oils and lotions and body butters, and I just have so much equipment here, and they call me the mad scientist, and they know that when I'm in here making something, do not disturb me, because it is on and popping when I'm making this soap. So today is a very quiet day here in my household. My mother is gone out of town, and my sister, she's out shopping. I don't know what she's shopping for. I wish I was out shopping. But I'm here making soap with you guys. So we're going to actually pound this soap down. It's really thick, and I want to make sure there's no bubbles in this soap. This is actually a pretty big soap mold, and so next time I'm going to have to recalculate my batch so that I can have more soap to work with on top. And this particular batch that I created, it's barely filling the soap mold. See, it's already setting up so fast that I can do texture on top. See? Ain't that lovely? Okay, so I've made up my mind that I would like to sprinkle some red sugar sprinkles on top of the soap. It needed some color, which was like so plain. So yeah, the red brings it out. And then we're gonna do a little, I love poppy seeds, okay? So we're gonna do poppy seeds on top to give it a little more character. And there you have it, the fresh strawberry soap. Stay tuned for the cutting of this soap. So this is actually a video of the fresh strawberry soap. It has been cut into slices using the 5-pound mold that I mentioned earlier. And so I got pretty good sized bars here. And so there you have it, the fresh strawberry soap. And here is the romantic question of the day. Number 1, would you rather take a best friend on a trip to a tropical vacation? Or number 2, would you rather go skydiving? Go ahead and cast your vote. In the upper left hand corner, you will see a box. I look forward to you guys' comments on my videos. I'm very active on my channel, so if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a message. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to take time out to pamper yourself. Bye now.